Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to speed up any TikTok videos using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So for example, that you just want to watch a specific video, but it takes too much time and you just want to speed it up, you are in the right video. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to launch your TikTok. And now, just go ahead and choose the video that you want. So for example, I'm just gonna use this. So just go ahead and click on the share button or the arrow icon at the lower right side of your screen and click save video. So now, just go ahead and go to any browser. You can use Safari or Google, but in this tutorial, I'm gonna use Safari. And now, go ahead and search for kapwing.com. You can see that on my search bar. And just go ahead and sign in your account. Now, you want to click on Create New Project. And here, click on Press to Upload, Photo Library, and choose the video that you want to speed up. So now, you can just go ahead and click here the 1x or the 1x button. So here, just go ahead and choose any speed that you want. And once you've done that, just go ahead and play the video, or you can just go ahead and export it so that you can save the video on your device. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.